you how the device actually works. It's a laser security system, and it's triggered by cutting the light that the LDR receives. There is 4 stages to this project. The alarm set, which is the first one. As soon as I reset the device, you will see a white light followed by a red, and the sound of the speaker telling me that it's ready to receive the laser beam. I'll do that now. There you go. Now it's told me that it's ready for it to receive the laser. So now we use the laser and the LDR to activate, which is the second step. So we point the laser to the LDR, and you will see that the red LED will go on. Now that tells me that it's ready, and it has picked up enough light from the device, from the laser, so it can measure how much light to start from. So now that we have that, we'll go to the third one, which is now setting it with the pressure sensor. So now, as soon as I press on the pressure sensor, that is set. So now it's set. It can also be activated by the light. For example, the light in the room is strong enough to activate it. So now it's activated. If a shadow comes in front of it, it will activate. The light is representing the laser. Okay? So if I put a shadow in front of the LDR, as you can see, the white LED will go off, and the speaker also goes off, making like a police sound effect. In order to turn it off, all you will need to do is put some pressure on the pressure sensor, and the red LED will go on. And now the final step will be to reset the full system. So if we want to reset the full system, that's off, and then if we put the laser in, set it, cut the laser, and then it goes off. And then put it back on, you point the laser to it, press, and then it goes back on. And then that is set now. That's how it works.
So now we're going to talk about how we can improve this and how it's relevant to TELUS. So currently we have just the alarm system as it is. So when the light's cut, then the alarm goes off. But we can attach this to other devices, so it will trigger other things other than just an alarm. For example, an automatic weapon. So you've got an enemy going across in an area, and as soon as the laser's cut, it will trigger an automatic rifle to shoot the enemy, for example. Another potential use would be if you've got a warehouse of valuable goods, you can use this system, and when it's triggered, a robotic defense system will come in and then sort out the intruder or the problem. Another potential use would be you've got secure work in like a laboratory or a research facility, and if the alarm is set off, then all the work gets cleared, all the windows and doors get locked. So stuff like that, basically, not just limited to a motion sensor or anything. It can be used or triggered to like a sound alarm. So we can use this system to trigger other systems. For example, a radar that scans the area.